Introducing the AIMCO AUET-0100 Torque Tester, a versatile and precise tool designed to verify torque settings and repeatability of hand tools, power tools, and pulse tools. With its wide torque range of 10.0–100.0 in Oz, this torque tester is ideal for various applications in assembly and manufacturing industries. The AUET-0100 features an adjustable auto-clear function, allowing users to conveniently reset the tool to 0 after each measurement, ensuring accurate and consistent readings. The tester is also equipped with a key-lock security feature that prevents unauthorized programming changes, maintaining the integrity and reliability of the measurements. Data output to computers or serial printers is made possible via serial communication, enabling users to easily transfer and analyze test results. Multiple transducer models are available, allowing users to select the appropriate transducer for their specific torque range requirements. The AUET-0100 is designed with user-friendly operation in mind. It features a simple one-button operation and a push-button 0 function for quick and convenient re-zeroing. With a torque range of 10.0–100.0 in Oz, accuracy of 0.5%, and a wide range of features, the AIMCO AUET-0100 Torque Tester is a reliable and versatile tool that meets the demands of various assembly and manufacturing applications.